Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Vila Wahyu from Class B 2019, Biology Education Mulawarman University. Will show my speaking practice to comply my English course text with my supporting lecture Ruqoyyah Nasution. I will talk about nanotechnology in environmental. So the first, have you ever heard about nanotechnology? What is nanotechnology? And is it related to the environment? So nanotechnology is the science of working with atoms and molecules at the nanoscale to build devices that are extremely small. So what does nanotechnology have to do with environment? The latest research explained that nanotechnology can clean the environment from pollution. Many people pollute the environment with substances that cannot be decomposed naturally, discussed in either human, animals, or plants. The cleansing of this toxic pollution, which include pesticides and endocrine inhibitors such as bisphenol A or CPA. Using the current method, it's still expensive and takes a long time. A published research result in Nature Communication research from M.Pd at the Federal University of Goiás in Brazil demonstrate the latest methods of using nanoparticle and UV rays to isolate and extract rapidly a variety of contaminants on soil and water. Research synthesis polymers of polyethylene glycol, the chemical used are widely found in laxatives, toothpaste, and eye drops and are permitted by the Food and Drug Section as an additional substance in food. And polylactic acid, a plastic that can be degradable, which is used in bowls and glass equipment that can be degradable. Nanoparticles made of this material have a hydrophobic nucleus and a hydrophilic cell. Because of the molecular cell force, the hydrophobic pollution molecules in the solution move towards hydrophobic nanoparticle and are absorbed in the surface where it is effectively trapped. The same phenomenon is when the spaghetti sauce litter the plastic container surface, making it red. In this case, both plastic and oil-based sauce are hydrophobic and interact with each other. If left alone, this nanomaterial will be quickly suspended and dispersed even in water. However, when illuminated with UV rays, a stable outer cell will fall out and the particles are now rich in pollutions, forming a larger blob or aggregate. The aggregate can then be separated through filtering, sedimentation, or through other methods. Researchers use this method to extract phthalate, a chemical that interfaces with hormones used to soften plastic, from wastewater, and BPA chemicals synthesis that interfere with widely used endocrine in plastic bottles, and other resin items from example of thermal printing paper and the aromatic polycyclic hydrocarbon chemical substance carcinogen of the imperfect combustion of oil from contaminated soil. This process is not alternating bulk and polymers can be degradable, minimizing the risk of leaving toxic product of derivatives in water. Once they change to the macro size where they will clot, we can no longer refer to the nano size again. More interesting is the potential utilization in a wider range from environmental recovery to health analysis. Polymers are sonized at room temperature and do not need special preparation for specific targets. These findings can be applied to various hydrophobic molecules. These molecules can eliminate hormones, BPA, and pesticides contained in the same sample in one stage of the world brain. Nanoparticles have compressions of the surface area to very small volume, which means that they need only the small amount needed to remove a relatively large pollution. This technique further offers the potential to clean contaminated waters and soil at cost effectively. So that's about nanotechnology. Before last, I have some quotes from Taylor Swift. There are going to be people along the way who try to undercut your success or take credit for your accomplishment just focus on the work and you don't let those people sidetrack you, someday when you get where you're going, you will look around and you will know it was you and the people who love you who put you there, and that will be the great feeling in the world. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.